color papers, decorative papers, Fevicol, sharpener and eraser, scale, pencil, scissors. Let's get started. Take a piece of paper measures 18 into 13 cm and divide it into 3 equal parts. For decorating a card, I am using 3 sheets of decorative paper which measures 5 into 12 cm. Let's cut it out and just stick it. You just have to cut it in a diagonal shape. So I am cutting 2 sheets of decorative paper for sticking in the diagonal, and one should remain same because we are sticking it in the middle so that we can write notes. So next we are going to cut another one too. So let's make our place clean and just stick it out. Now let's take the main card which we have prepared at starting. Now we are going to stick the decorative papers. Before that, we have to know that we should fold the diagonals at outerwards of this card like this. And you have to stick the decorative papers on here, here and here and also here, because the outerwards should be so cool. For that we are sticking there. Same like other sides. So let's stick these decorative papers. Let's stick now. I'm taking first red paper and going to stick in the rectangle. And also let's stick the diagonals too. let's stick it in on the other side. After sticking, it will be looking like this. Then I'm going to turn it and stick on the other sides. Now let's stick the other side. I'm sticking this here and another knot here. Now it will be looking like this. I will show you after closing. It will be like this. See? Like this. Here you can write the notes. Take the main card and place the tiny card on the center and draw a box. And just cut it out with the knife. I'm taking a piece of paper which measures 4 into 4 centimeter, and I'm taking another piece of paper which is a decorative paper which measures 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter, and just stick it out. Like this. With this butterfly stencil, tracing out the colored sheet with an extra, see, with an extra small piece of paper which is attached to it, and then cut it out. These are the butterflies which we have cut. After cutting, it looks like this, and then you have to fold this extra piece. Let's fold it. Like this, and we have to stick it on the card. Now keeping this flap on the sheet and stick it out like this. Like this on the both sides. See? Like this. After sticking, insert this card. After inserting the card, it looks like this. See? Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and comment our video, and do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you.